Welcome to the iTrade for Wealth seminar on technical analysis. My name is Sean Partridge. I'm going to be your presenter for the seminar. I hope you'll enjoy learning the techniques infinity traders apply in the financial markets every day. We're going to be talking about technical analysis and how it should be viewed through the point of psychology. Once you learn this method the way I'm going to show you, you will know exactly when to buy, when to sell, and why. I've listed my email address for you in case you have any questions or general feedback about what we're covering in the seminar. This seminar will run approximately 6 hours in length. The intent of this course is to share our view of the financial markets so you can gain control of your own trading and investing decisions. Both experienced and beginning traders find out how to streamline the stock selection process and actively manage their trading portfolio. Our method is a repeatable step-by-step approach for finding, evaluating, monitoring, buying and selling stocks. It takes you step by step through every aspect of trading, from the psychology of trading to the actual trade. The advantage is that you can rely on facts to make trading decisions, not emotions, and that means less guesswork and better results. Who is this course for? This course is designed for both experienced and beginning traders that have an interest in technical analysis and making a living from the financial markets. The course does not require any prior trading experience. However, there is reference to common terminology in the trading industry. If you have no prior knowledge of trading and/or you struggle with trading concepts, you should be prepared to spend longer working through the online materials. The online learning component is an advantage in this respect, as you can spend as little or as long as you need to understand each element of the course. If you have basic knowledge of trading, then you are probably ready for this course. In an effort to comply with all rules and regulations, please read this disclaimer. Here is a list of the topics for each lesson. When you complete this course, you will have the experience and knowledge to make your own trading decisions. What does technical analysis mean? Technical analysis is a security analysis technique that forecasts the future direction of prices through the study of past market data, primarily price and volume. In its purest form, technical analysis considers only the actual price and volume behavior of the market or instrument. Technical analysts, sometimes called chartists, may employ models and trading rules based on price and volume transformations through recognition of chart patterns. By graphing the past financial activity of a given security, it is possible to identify recurring trends. This strategy makes it possible to determine when to buy or sell the security for the purpose of making a profit. What does trader mean? A trader is an individual who engages in the transfer of financial assets in any financial market, either for themselves or on behalf of someone else. The main difference between a trader and an investor is the duration for which the person holds the asset. Investors tend to have a longer-term time horizon, whereas traders tend to hold assets for shorter periods of time in order to capitalize on short-term trends. The infinity trader method has 4 major styles of trading. First is core trading. This style of trading attempts to capture major trends in the market and/or underlying stock. This is a longer-term style of trading with an average holding period from 2 weeks to months. Second is swing trading. This style of trading is designed to capture short-term market swings. The average holding period for this style of trading is 2 to 10 days. Third is day trading. This style of trading is designed to capture short-term market moves. This style of trading has an average holding period of 1 hour to 2 days. Fourth is scalp trading. This style of trading utilizes a hit-and-run approach. The average holding period for this style of trading is a few seconds to minutes. What type of trader are you? You may not be able to answer this until you have tried the different approaches of trading. The trading style you choose should match your personality and goals. An individual who is investing for their retirement with their 401k is most likely a core trader. An individual who is trading in order to make a living from the market is most likely a day or scalp trader. What should you trade? The most important elements to consider when choosing the instrument to trade are high volatility and high liquidity. A few stocks with high volatility and liquidity in today's market include Google, Apple, Research in Motion, and Goldman Sachs, just to name a few. What does liquidity mean? Liquidity is the degree to which an asset or security can be bought or sold in the market without affecting the asset's price. Liquidity is characterized by a high level of trading activity. Assets that can be easily bought or sold are known as liquid assets. Liquidity is the ability to convert an asset to cash quickly, also known as marketability. It is safer to invest in liquid assets than illiquid ones because it is easier for an investor to get his or her money out of the investment. What does volatility mean? A higher volatility means that the price of the security can change drastically over a short period of time in either direction. A lower volatility means that a security's value does not fluctuate dramatically, but changes in value at a steady pace over a period of time. One measure of the relative volatility of a particular stock to the market is its beta. A beta approximates the overall volatility of a security's returns against the returns of a relevant benchmark. Usually the S&P 500 is used. For example, a stock with a beta value of 1.1 has historically moved 110% for every 100% move in the benchmark based on price level. Conversely, a stock with a beta of 0.9 has historically moved 90% for every 100% move in the underlying index. What does long or long position mean? The buying of a security such as a stock, commodity, or currency with the expectation that the asset will rise in value. For example, an owner of shares in McDonald's Corp. Is said to be long McDonald's or has a long position in McDonald's. What does short or short position mean? The sale of a borrowed security, commodity, or currency with the expectation that the asset will fall in value. A short position is the opposite of a long or long position. For example, an investor who borrows shares of stock from a broker and sells them on the open market is said to have a short position in the stock. The investor must eventually return the borrowed stock by buying it back from the open market. If the stock falls in price, the investor buys it for less than he or she sold it, thus making a profit. What does gap mean? A gap is a break between prices on a chart that occurs when the price of a stock makes a sharp move up or down with no trading occurring in between. Gaps can be created by factors such as regular buying or selling pressure, earnings announcements, a change in an analyst's outlook, or other type of news release. It is important to understand that if a security or market closes at one price, the next day does not have to open at the same price. The security or market can gap up or down and open at a significantly different price than the previous day's close. What do you need to get started? First is trading capital. Trading capital is the amount of resources that are necessary to sustain the day-to-day function of your trading business. Any new business venture must be properly funded. Under the rules of the New York Stock Exchange and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, day or scalp traders must have at least $25,000 in their accounts. Proprietary trading firms provide capital for their members to trade the U.S. equity markets. Most prop firms require you put up $5,000 and then you trade $100,000 of the firm's capital. If you do not meet the minimum $25,000 requirement to be a day or scalp trader, prop trading is a possible solution. Second is a computer with a high-speed internet connection. You should work with an expert to find the best choices for your needs and budget, to give you the best bang for your buck. Puget Custom Computers specializes in building custom-built computers. Infinity Trader has had good experiences with this company. A high-speed internet connection is a must. Cable or DSL are both acceptable.